So, I got a new pedal, but the cocksucker gave up the biscuit. Won't work. Was working yesterday. That side works great. Clearly never used because you can hear it clicks nice and listen. Then listen to this. That shit's just wore out. That's just finally given up the ghost. That switch. Fuck. I like the sound of that too. Anyway, I got it in trade, so I guess the only thing I can do is open it up and see if I can fix it. Because I do happen to have a couple of these switches. So let's see if I can fix it. Fuck. No way. This had just come loose from its housing. That just needs to be pinched together a little bit. I bet that works. If I pinch those. Alright. I don't know if you can see these little tabs here, but this whole housing, now it's starting to press fine. Almost better than the other one. Let's see if this one's loose. I guess if you ever wanted to look inside a Fulltone GT500, you got it here. But I'm keeping my fingers crossed that by just cinching up these little tabs here. Oh hey, it's me. Excuse me for just a second. I was just editing this video and I could see that it was a bit unclear what had happened. So I got another switch and I just want to show everybody, if my camera will focus, what exactly happened. When this switch goes up and down and engages inside, the top half and the bottom half are two separate pieces. And so what had happened is, over time, from just smashing on that button, is the top half and the bottom half separated. So this was no longer engaging. So not necessarily that the switch was broken, just that the top half was separated from the bottom half. So I pinched them back together and pinched those tabs in there securely. Feels good as new. Okay, you can get back to the rest of the video now. This will fix it. Keep it from coming apart again. Alright, well I guess if it stops working again, I know why. Don't think I need this in here because it's lugged in anyway. No, I don't want it. Alright. Christ, I'm not replacing the switch in this thing. But I guess we could have done. Doesn't look that complicated. That's really nice when the solution is simple. So if your GT500 stops working, or if your any other pedal stops working for that matter, but in this case specifically the GT500, it's obvious one side was used more than the other. And I probably could put a better system in there to secure that, but let's see if it works. Oh yeah. Feels like a champ now. Just wasn't engaging. Let's hope it's not still fucked up. Let's go try. Alright, let's plug you back in. Yes! Fixed. Fuck yeah.